Hi guys, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my Profit Launcher review. So, what is Profit Launcher? Profit Launcher will show you step by step how to make daily commissions whether you are new to affiliate marketing or experienced yet not currently getting the results you want. No websites, no email, and no tech skills are needed. Especially simply follow the step by step strategy to start earning commissions consistently. The best part of the Profit Launcher is that you can do this with zero recurring fee. So make big profits daily without having to pay for any recurring fees. This simple system generates you a 50.60 per day without spending a dime. So they'll provide you a template and super easy. So if you want to get results quickly, easily, and freely, you just need to buy purchase the product through my link. So this is a unique free method, and it's a totally new bee friendly. So no need to put cameras on the face, no skills required, no email list or website needed. Complete step by step training will be provided, so you can learn how to outrank your competition, and you can gain market authority fast. And they are giving you real proof that this system works. So everything is completely free. So if you want to purchase the product through my link, I'm going to provide you some bonuses. So the bonus page is this is how the bonus page looks like. Yeah, just this is how the bonus page looks like. If you click on the link in the description box for the bonus page, this is how the bonus page opens up. So let's take a look at the sales page. I have given the sales page link also in the description box. You can purchase from my sales page also. If you want to purchase, if you want my custom made bonuses, you just need to purchase from the bonus page. So these are the vendor of Profit Launcher. So they have attached to the proof. Have on in last 30 days they have made $300. So they have also given the customers video. So the Profit Launcher is a perfect for new and struggling affiliates. So no technical skills required, no email or website necessary. They will be giving a step-by-step training, and you can try with no risk. Can implement and make money right away. Templates will be provided, and they are also giving a 30-day money back guarantee. So let's see the prices of Profit Launcher. The Profit Launcher comes in 4 OTOs and the front end price. So front end price Profit Launcher will show you a step by step how to make daily commission whether you are a new affiliate or an experienced one. So if you are not getting any results as a beginner or an experienced one, you can purchase the Profit Launcher product. So you will require no website, also no emails, and no technical skills will needed. So simply follow the strategy they are going to give you, and you'll start earning commissions consistently. So this value of this is $12.97. Then the OTO one is Profit Ranker. So if you want to outrank your competition and you want to increase your sales and traffic, as a if you are an advanced person or an experienced person, just you need to buy Profit Ranker. So they will teach you many secrets on how to maximize your SEO or get your content in front of millions of prospective buyers. So in no time you'll be outranking other affiliates who have been doing this for years and getting their business as a result. So value of this is $37. The OTO2 is profit abundance. So their good friends Team Alpha are letting them give away their amazing products. So inside you'll get 40 different methods for getting leads, traffic, general marketing strategy, and of course sales. So value of this $4.97. So OTO3 is a reseller rights. So you can reseller profit as you own, keep 100% commission on the whole funnel. So the value of this is $37. Next is OTO4, the personal coaching. So if you want to make fast way to make a steady income, this is the OTO for you. So in their OTO, they'll give you a combined total of 4 1-hour Zoom meetings with the vendors. So they will guide you through all the parts of system and the strategy, and they'll be crystal clear about uh, uh, the strategies and the methods, and you will start making profit immediately. So the value of this is $197. So if you want, just click on any of the green button boxes, so it will directly take you to the sales page. So there, the vendor bonuses are, they are giving you a bonus one instant Instagram traffic explosion. It's a newbie friendly, no websites or email needed system for getting huge traffic from Instagram and much more. So the bonus two is ClickBank Mastery. So you can learn how to use ClickBank the right way and earn amazing commissions. Bonus 3 is Ultimate TikTok Hack. This software lets you pass expensive ads on the fastest growing social media platform, helping you get massive traffic for free. The bonus 4 is Double Dragon. So a perfect two-in-one system for new affiliates to both grow their email list and make steady profits at the same time. So bonus 5 is a CBA Underground secret for big profits. So make easy passive income from your growing email list. So they are giving you a 30-day money back guarantee. So you can purchase this product without any risk. So these are the custom made bonuses I'm going to give you. First bonus 1 is a ClickBank Cash Trader. So bonus 2 is drop down content panel maker. The bonus 3 is it's all in the list. Bonus 4 is turn tired old content into cash. Bonus 5 is extreme blog hunter. Bonus 6 is YouTube insights for audience. So all of the above bonuses will be instantly available to your account. It's 100% free. So you just need to click on any of the green boxes. It will directly take you to the sales page. So you can purchase from that to this bonus page also. You can purchase from the sales page also. I'll leave you the sales page link in the description box. So you just need to click on this yellow box buttons. So it will get you to the purchase page. So if guess profit launcher is easy, and it's for completely for the free new and struggling affiliates. So no skills required, so no emails required. So all they'll give you a template and 30-day, and they are also giving you a 30-day money back guarantee, and they are giving you a step-by-step training. So you can buy profit launcher without any doubt. So don't forget to buy from my link, because you are going to get all of these bonuses, exclusive bonuses, just instantly made for you. So these will be credited once you purchase the product through my link. So see you in the next video. Thank you.